Hey guys, how are you doing? In today's video, I want to talk to you about a feature that Ahrefs has just launched called Brand Radar. Actually, they haven't just launched. They launched in a while, but it was like in the beta version. And I was trying to use it and it wasn't really doing super well. But now they've actually officially launched it, so it's working pretty good, and I want to show you some of the features that I've been using inside Brand Radar that I think it would be useful for you to use if you are an SEO as well, that I've been taking advantage of. Okay, so when you have an Ahrefs page plan, you go into Brand Radar, and then there's a few options. There are some blocks here that you can go through. So here is search demand. This is kind of like a Google Trends feature. Same goes for web visibility, that it shows you like the citations that you have, like how many links that you have pointed out to you and how you're being cited in other websites. But the feature that I want to show you the most is AI overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Copilot. So how it works is that if you have like a paid plan, you can come into Brand Radar and then you can buy like for each of the LLMs. So for AI overview from Google, ChatGPT, Perplexity, each of the LLMs, they charge you like around $99 for you to buy it, so that you can, do some research here in the AI overview and in ChatGPT for you to see how you or your company or your client's company has been cited inside of AI overviews in ChatGPT. So I'll just do like an example here with you guys. So if I put like, for example, Apple and Microsoft here, and I click on Explore, it will show to me how many mentions each of the brands have. And not only that, but it will show like an example of a result inside of AI Overview for us to see how we are being cited. But what I've been using the most is actually another thing. So when I go back here into Ahrefs and I put, let's say if I was working for Apple and I wanted to see how Microsoft was doing inside of AI overview citations, I would put their domain here, and then when I click here, I can see what are like the queries that people search inside of Google AI Overview or like Microsoft Copilot that are bringing more traffic to this website. So for example, here I can see that the main query that people are looking into Google AI Overview that leads to citation here to Microsoft Outlook is Hotmail Outlook. So the idea of this is that I can see how my competitor is being cited so that I can do a kind of like a keyword gap analysis that we do like in SEO to understand where is your competitor being mentioned that you're not. So this is what I want to do with this and that I have been doing. But the problem here that I see from Ahrefs, and hopefully that someone from Ahrefs will be able to see this, is that when I, for example, like I have here 812,000 references from AI Overview to this website. So let's say that I wanted to do like an analysis, like keyword gap analysis. The main thing that I would do here would be to export this data, and I would put probably like in ChatGPT along with the data that I have from my client or other competitors, and then I would ask like ChatGPT to do like a keyword gap analysis. But for now, I cannot export it, which is really a pity. I really hope that they do launch like a feature probably they will do, to export this data here, or to even do like a keyword gap inside of this analysis. That would be amazing. So yeah, so the same thing goes for ChatGPT. So if I go back here in the results and I click into ChatGPT citations here, it will take me to this page and it will show me exactly like what is the query and like the answer to that query. Here I'm seeing Brazilian Portuguese, but I can change here to like United States, and then update results, and then it will show me only queries in English for the US, for example. Okay, so this is a really nice way that I found to do some keyword research for AI that I think it's like a way for us to work as SEOs now, in a way that everything is changing, and we don't really know like how to do the SEO that we used to do anymore. So I think that this is a really good beginning, and I think that this is where things will lead us as SEOs for now, because I think that more and more people will use ChatGPT and AI Reveal as a result. So we need to understand the behavior of the users that are using these tools, and I think that Ahrefs did a really nice job here to get started with this analysis, because up until now we only had tools that showed us how we were being cited, but for keywords that we were tracking, right? And they were super expensive. Not that Ahrefs is not expensive, because you're already paying the plan, and then you have to pay like $99 for each block of AI. So like for AI review, you have to pay $100, and then for ChatGPT plus $100. So if you want to have like all of them, it will be like almost like $500 a month plus the plan that you already pay for Ahrefs. So that's a lot of money. So yeah, hopefully as soon as things start to get more like common and people start to using it more, they will be able to like to diminish the price a bit, because for now it's really expensive. But the good thing is that you don't have, like, this is not associated with any project, so that means that you can use it like kind of like unlimited. So you can use it for all of your clients if you have multiple clients, or if you are working for a specific client or agency right now. So you can use it for general clients. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. If it is, just drop a like for me and comment. Let me know how you're doing with AI and how you have been using these tools to understand better your clients, your competitor. Let me know in the comments. Okay, bye bye, see you next video.